Hi, welcome to my YouTube video.
And what are you going to do in your YouTube video?
I'm going to surprise egg.
Yeah. This is a surprise egg. What do you think might be in the surprise egg? Have you got any guesses of what it might be?
What
could it be? Is it? It's a secret, isn't it? What are we going to do now? We're going to open the egg and find out what's inside, aren't we? Go on then. Show me how to do it.
Oh, I wonder
Is it
what
tough?
could be.
It looks pretty tough, that does, doesn't it? You've got to use your muscles. There's a yellow egg inside. Wow. What are you going to do next? Yeah, you've got to karate chop it open. Ho-ho. And what's inside? Show it to the camera. Who is it?
Malaya.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Please kind of subscribe.
Wave to your fans.